Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Shalene. In an absolute vindication of O Heraldo's relentless on-the-ground investigation and probe, Navy man Anurag Singh Rajawat was finally arrested 12 days after he was charged with executing the killing of his wife in a dowry death case, in which his mother-in-law was also killed. Moreover, a murder charge under Section 302 of IPC was added, as the episode also involved the killing of his mother-in-law, Jai Devi, on November 18th. Anurag's mother has also been accused in the dowry death case. On Saturday, Vasco police produced Anurag Singh Rajawat before the GMFC court, seeking his remand. The court granted a 6-day police custody for Rajawat.
18th November, this incident was happened of gas explosion and 2 women were died. So in this connection, first preliminary stage we had registered the unnatural death case, and one inquiry was with us, and one Shivani Rajawat's inquiry was with SDM, since it was within 7 years of marriage. So after conducting the inquiry by the SDM has submitted report to us directing to conduct the investigation on circumstantial evidences and to register the FIR if required. So after going to the report of the SDM, we found that there are some allegations of dowry death in the death of the Shivani Rajawat. So in this regard, we had registered the crime under Section 304B against the husband Anurag Singh Rajawat, and our investigation was in progress. Side by side, we were conducting the investigation of unnatural death case of her mother, Jai Devi Chauhan, and after conducting the inquiry in UD and this crime, yesterday we added Section 302 in the crime, read with 34 IPC, and we made also the mother of the accused, that is Anurag Singh Rajawat's mother, we included as the accused in the crime of under Section 304B. So presently we arrested yesterday the accused Anurag Singh Rajawat and kept in custody for the further interrogation. So previously also we had called here for the investigation, but since he was not cooperating with the investigation, yesterday we arrested him and kept in custody. So now we will conduct the further investigation of the case.
So has it been taken for a remand?
Today we will produce him before the GMFC and we will take the remand.
Story by Kiran Borkar for Herald TV.
Navy officer Anurag Rajawat, alleged of having planned and killed his mother-in-law and his wife, is now behind bars after relentless coverage of the vapor cloud explosion case of New Wade. Herald had time and again exposed the loopholes in the investigation, and after 48 days, the accused is now in police custody.
On 18th November, a fire incident was reported in New Wade, Vasco, which killed a pregnant lady, Shivani Rajawat, and her mother, Jai Devi Singh Chauhan. Police registered the case of cylinder blast. However, there was more than what met the eye. On 22nd November, brother and son of the deceased duo, Shubham Singh Chauhan, came ahead and alleged that this is a premeditated murder and not a blast incident. O Heraldo got access to the unseen pictures of the incident site on November 23, which suggested that it was not an incident of a cylinder blast, but a vapor cloud explosion and looked intentional. It was on November 27 that Vasco police broke silence and agreed that it was vapor cloud accumulation that caused the fire. Police also acknowledged the fact that the knob of the gas stove was open when the firefighters reached the house. The police were in a fix on December 1 after fire department wrote back to the police to investigate the matter thoroughly and send a report of the incident. On December 6th, brother of deceased Shivani Rajawat filed a police complaint and a complaint before the SDM accusing murder of his sister and mother. He named Anurag Rajawat for allegedly planning the murder and also alleged dowry harassment against him and his mother. While the police kept insisting on wanting of the report of the SDM for the further inquiry, on December 22nd, the SDM submitted the report to the police, advocating for thorough inquiry in the matter for dowry harassment of Shivani. On December 24, Vasco police registered a dowry death case against Anurag Singh Rajawat for the alleged murder of his wife and her mother on the basis of the report submitted by the Mormugaon Sub-Divisional Magistrate. Finally, on January 5, Vasco police laid their hands on the main accused Anurag Rajawat arrested him and booked him under Section 302 of IPC for murder. The relentless coverage of Herald has resulted in the arrest of the Navy officer. If not on Friday, the police were about to have a tough time arresting him, as the period for arrests would have ended. Rajawat has been sent to 6 days police custody and now interrogation will follow. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Anurag Singh Rajawat was arrested on Friday under Section 302 of the IPC, charged with the tragic deaths of his pregnant wife, Shivani Rajawat, and her mother, Jaidevi Chauhan, on November 18th. Anurag is accused in a shocking case related to the alleged killing of his wife, particularly in connection with the dowry death case. This incident has stirred discussions regarding the pervasive issue of dowry-related harassment and violence against women. On today's edition of Street Voices, Team Herald spoke to women across Goa to know their views on whether Anurag Rajawat's arrest in the vapor cloud explosion case could potentially impact and bolster investigations into cases involving dowry harassment.
Finally, वास्को पुलिसेन केलें जे आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय मागताले तें एक म्हणजे चड टायम गेलो म्हण भंय आशिल्लो की तो एस्केप जायत म्हण कारण तो इन्फ्लुएन्शियल मनीस तेजे भावाक हांव कौतुक करता आनी तेजे भावा बरोबर हांव हेराल्डाक कौतुक करता आनी बाकी मिडिया एक फाटल्यान रावन पातलाव दिवन मिडिया लागून हे सगळें आज ताचे अरेस्ट जाला आनी तो अरेस्ट जावपाकूच जाय आशिल्लो त्या भायर ताणें 2 जाणां मारल्या 302 लावपाकूच जाय आशिल्लो त्या भायर इट वॉज नॉट अ गॅस एक्सप्लोजन इट वॉज अ गॅस एक्सप्लोजन बट ऑफ गॅस आनी हांव सदांच म्हणटा की सर्कमस्टेन्शियल एविडन्स इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट हे केसीक खूब गोश्टी मिस जाल्ल्यो हरी अनाउन्समेंट केलो की गॅस सिलिंडर एक्सप्लोड जालो म्हणून गॅस सिलिंडर एक्सप्लोड जावन ना ताणें गॅस सोडून दवरिल्लो आनी हे सामकें मोटिवेटेड म्हणटा तशें सामकें प्लॅन्ड मर्डर आनी हांव पुलिसेकूय बी थँक्यू म्हणटा शुभमाक चड करून कारण एक भाव म्हणून दाखयलो ताणें एक चलो म्हणून दाखयलो फाटी लागून तांणी हें रेजिस्टर करून घेतलें खूब त्रास काडले तांणी आनी प्रेसाक चड करून हेराल्ड एक्सपोज करता तितूंतल्यान खूब गोश्टी गोंयांत सुदारतात तुमचे एक्सपोजरा वेल्यान आज एक मनीस नेवीचो मनीस ज्याने आपले बायलेक आनी आपले सासूक मरण हाडलें ताका अरेस्ट जालें.
This arrest of Anurag has come about because the family member, her brother, has come forward to complain. Organizations supported the family. Media gave a lot of importance to this case and highlighted the issue, and the authorities acted subsequently. So once the magistrate gave the report and the charge sheet was filed, this arrest has been done. Now, for a successful conviction, the remaining procedures have to be done properly. Timeliness is an issue because if the more you delay, the evidence gathering gets delayed and public memory falls short at the time of deposition, and a lot of evidence gets lost. So this is the first step of arrest, and we hope that the implementing agencies of the Dowry Prohibition Act, they get their act together and do their work sincerely to ensure conviction.
एक माणूस आपल्या बायलेक जवळ मारता आणि तेका आता अरेस्ट जाला तो अरेस्ट जाला पण ते बरेच झाले पण तेका आता हे सजा जावपाक जाय
अरेस्ट केला ते बरेच केले तेका आता सगळे पुरावे लागी करपाक जाय.
Parents of specially abled students at Sanjay School staged a protest demanding the reopening of the Vocational Training and Rehabilitation Center. The center was closed due to unsafe building conditions in October 2023 and hasn't opened since then. Demanding the Chief Minister's intervention, they vow to persist with the protest at Purple Fest venue on Monday or take legal action in the High Court.
Each and every office event, but they have not taken any issue of these children, and they are struggling and for their parents. हांव कितें म्हणटा न्हू आयज आमी सीएमाक लेटर केलें जाल्यार आयज आमकां 4 ते 5 म्हयने सीएमान आमकां आयज पसून एक एश्युरन्स दिलें ना की ह्या भुरग्यांक खंय तरी रिहॅबिलिटेट करता म्हणून. इवन मेंबर सेक्रेटरीशी, इवन आमी एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट गेले, इवन आमी कलेक्टर गेले, सगळे डिपार्टमेंट गेले आमी. बट आयज पसून ह्या भुरग्यांक आयज सीएमान कांयच एक्शन घेतली ना. सो ह्या भुरग्यांक आयज सीएमाक हांव एकूच रिक्वेस्ट करता की त्या भुरग्यांक तेणें कित्याक घरा बसयल्या 4 म्हयने आनी हो जे भुरगो पडलेला तेंचेर इमिडिएट इफेक्ट केला की बंद केला ही बिल्डींग. सो आयज पसून तेजी 4 म्हयने जाले ते स्टेबिलिटी आमकां ऑडिट येयलें ना. सो आमकां तेदूस पसून तेंच्यांनी आपयले की स्पेशल मिटींग घेतली स्कुलान, एक 2-3 दीस जाले आयज. जाल्यार ती म्हणली आमी ह्या भुरग्यांक इमिडिएट घेता. बट हो स्टंट कित्याक म्हाका अहो दिल्लो, हो स्टंट जो आहा तो पर्पल फेस्टा खातीर. जे पर्पल फेस्ट जे आयज हांकां इतले स्पेंड करूंक शकता जाल्यार ह्या भुरग्यांक आयज हो प्लॉट आसून इतली वर्सां जाली त्या प्लॉटाचेर तेंच्यांनी आयज पसून कांयच केलें ना. आनी ह्या भुरग्यांक आयज ती अशी घरा कडेन कित्याक दवरतात, तळमळयतात ह्या भुरग्यांक, बिकॉज दे आर स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन. CM has to take account on this sort of things.
Still not fit for use. त्या बिल्डिंगेत ह्या भुरग्यांक from 2016 बसयले त्या भुरग्यांक and it was only for temporary period. तरी ती till 2023 they are sitting there. आणि आम्ही परत तरी आम्ही पेरेंट्सांक रिक्वेस्ट केले चीफ मिनिस्टर सराक की तुम्ही कितें करा, आमकां मातशी एक नवीन बिल्डींग दियात, दुसरी बिल्डींग दिया वेर विच इट इज डिजेबल फ्रेंडली बिल्डींग. ह्या बिल्डिंगेत ओल्ड SCIT डिजेबल फ्रेंडली इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर ना. क्लासरूम्स ल्हान आसात त्या बिल्डींग. 28 भुरगीं बसतात एक हातून. भुरग्यांक बसल्यार तांकां हालूंक मेळना, खुर्च्यो तांकां टायट बसयतात तांकां. सो सिपेज जाता, उदकाची सिपेज जाताली. सगळी हे करून आमी पॉयंट घालून CMाक लेटर केल्ले, तांणी कांय दखल घेतली ना. मागीर कितें जालें, इन बिटवीन तो भुरगो पडलो, तो वयर गेल्लो. तो ही वॉज गॉन फॉर द आधार कार्ड पर्पज आनी ही वॉज द स्टुडंट ऑफ संजय स्कूल ऑल्सो वोकेशनल सेंटर. तो पडलो सप्टेंबराक. सो ऑगस्ट एट द एंड ऑफ ऑगस्ट सप्टेंबर till सप्टेंबर चालू दवरले आनी ऑक्टोबर 5 तारखेच्यान आमकां कितें मॅसेज घातली, तुमी आयच्यान भुरग्यांक धाडनाकात, फाल्यांच्यान धाडनाकात. आज मॅसेज येयला, रिजन काय सांगू ना, कित्याक धाडप ना काय ना, सांगनासतना घरा बसयली. आमी तरी सगळ्यांक रिक्वेस्ट केले वचून, एवरी मिनिस्ट्री आमी गेली, लेटर केले सगळ्यांक, तरी पण कोणीच दखल घेतली ना. आनी आयज आमची भुरगीं आमकां हो स्टेप कित्याक घेवचे पडले.
If I have to go somewhere, I have to lock my child. Not only me, everybody have to lock their child because now it is nuclear family and we all are senior citizens. See them, see the parents. I am 65 plus. That this is the only half day we get for our children, for them recreation, something for change, and we also get some time to rest, half day, and that is also denied by the government.
आख्खे दीस तांचे कडेन रावपाक जावचें ना. थोडेशे जाणटे लोक आसा, तो आमी 1 पासून हांगा बसतले, 1 पासून आमी बसतले आनी मागीर आमी पळयतले. आमचे कडेन दुसरें ऑप्शन आसा, मंडेसून आमच्यान पुतून येवपाक जाता हांगा बसपाक, पर्पल फेस्ट चलता तेजें, नाजाल्यार आमच्यान हायकोर्टानूय वचपाक जाता.
The Central Pollution Control Board has taken cognizance for intervention to the severe crisis of groundwater pollution faced by the people of Matwe and Chikali Panchayat to plan out water quality restoration. The chairman of the Central Board has assigned the divisional head of Water Quality Management Division 1 to take action on the matter.
The Central Pollution Control Board has taken cognizance for intervention to the severe crisis of groundwater pollution faced by the people of Matwe in Chikalim Panchayat to plan out water quality restoration. The chairman of the Central Board has assigned the Water Quality Management Division 1 Divisional Head P.K. Mishra and Vishal Gandhi to take action on this matter. The division deals with water quality assessment and monitoring, which in particular includes water quality monitoring of rivers, lakes, groundwater and coastal waters, setting up of real-time water quality monitoring station and water quality restoration plans.
कांय दीस फाटीं माटवे चिखले गांवांत थंय पेट्रोल लोकांच्या बांयक पावलें, व्हाळान पावलें, ही गजाल बरीच गाजली आनी थंय हांवूय वचून आयिल्लो. आनीक तेन्ना हांवें पळयल्लें की राज्य सरकार जें आसा, गोंयचें सरकार, तांची यंत्रणा एक तर नाजाल्यार कमी पडटाली. कित्याक हो एक डिझास्टर, अंडर द डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट एक्ट हाका डिझास्टर म्हणटा. तर तो डिझास्टर हँडल करपाची हांकां कॅपॅसिटी दिसून येवंक ना. उपरांत म्हाका दिसलें की एक नॅशनल डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट ऑथॉरिटी आसा दिल्लीक बसता, तांकां एक चीट बरयली. तांचे कडल्यान उत्तर येवंक ना. आनीक म्हाका दिसलें आतां कितें करपाचें. एक तर ग्रावंड वॉटर जें आसा, जमनी पंचें उदक, तें जें पोल्युशन जालां तेका कितलो टायम वयतलो तें सारकें जावपाक तें कांय कोणाक खबर ना. स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन कांय एक्सपर्टीज ना. आतां हांवें लास्टाक जेन्ना सेंट्रल पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाक एक चीट बरयली, ताणें रिप्लाय दिवन सांगलां की हें काम आमी कांय ऑफिसरांक असायन केल्लें आसा हें पळोवपाक, आनी एक पॉझिटिव्ह कशी एक बातमी आज आयकपाक मेळ्ळी, पळोवपाक मेळ्ळी. जें कितें कमीपण आसा तें सेंट्रल पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड हाचो ताबो घेवन सारकें जाग्यार हाडटले. कित्याक ह्या संस्थे कडेन ग्रावंड वॉटर रिस्टोरेशन प्लॅन करपाची एक कॅपॅसिटी आसा. लोकांक कॉम्पेन्सेशनूय मेळपाक जाय. जे प्रदुशणाक लागून आज लोक हे सोंसता तांकां कॉम्पेन्सेशन मेळपाक जाय. कित्याक हो कायदो, हो ह्या देशाचो कायदो, पोल्युटर पेज. पोल्युटर कोण आतां? पोल्युटर कंपनी. आतां ह्या कंपनीक चडशी यंत्रणा गोंयचो सरकार भिता अशें दिसता, कित्याक कोणूच ताचेर एक्शन घेवंक सोदिना. जे पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड सेंट्रल म्हणजे केंद्राचे पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान जी एक पॉझिटिव्ह पिक्चर दाखयलां, तातूंतल्यान एक होप दवरुया आनी समजुया की माटवे गांवांत एक जस्टीस मेळटलो म्हणून.
At the start of 2024 in Goa, there's been a big increase in accidents on the roads. 9 people lost their lives in just 3 days, which is much higher compared to the same time last year, about 4 times more. Looking back at last year, every day in January, nearly 1 person died in an accident. From January to November, 230 people died in total, which are 20 people each month. The number of deaths varied a lot, with January 23 being the worst with 38 deaths and August the lowest with 11.
Well, about the accidents in Goa, they have been rising for the last few years. And that is because they have been issuing the licenses without really checking into the background of the riders. And the licensing is being issued even without proper checking also of the vehicles that are being ridden by the riders. But the main problem is about our roads. Roads are narrow, roads are very badly maintained, which causes most of the accidents to happen. And next thing is that there is no proper traffic regulation and management of how the traffic should move around. And main problem is the parking problem, because people don't have places to park, and they don't make arrangements also to see to that whether there are timing of parking or whether they should be parked only in a particular area and for how long they should be parked. So then they congest the roads, and which are very narrow become more narrow, and that is one of the main reasons why people try to avoid these bikes and cars which are on the road, that then they meet many a time with some accident or the other. So that's one of the things. But then Goa being what it is, everybody makes a beeline to go to the north of Goa, and then they hire these bikes, and then they are in their own world. They want to reach the north as quick as possible to enjoy themselves. So they don't pay much attention, and that is one of the reasons why many of the accidents do take place.
Reckless driving, driving under alcohol, okay, flouting rules, traffic rules, and bad roads.
Do you think that the licensing system in here, Goa, is a cause of these road accidents?
Could be a remote possibility.
Yes. And what do you think about the roads in the overall state?
Infrastructure is not in its place. Okay, so currently the city is in a mess and it needs a total overhaul. So we'll have to wait and watch till the smart city project, imagine, is completed.
Accident taking place because of the road and because of road. Roads are not proper. Everywhere they are digging this and that. And the second thing, people are having these drinks and drugs. That's why accidents are taking place.
And what about the road conditions and the law enforcement?
Road conditions very bad. And that is why the accident takes place. No takes place.
Actually, whatever people, mostly tourists are coming, they don't know the way first. And because of that, many accidents are occurring. mainly they should put speed breaker and all properly. Then it's okay. No, actually I was not there anywhere in practical, but I hear a lot about that accident. When people are also drinking and driving, that is also main cause. Actually, people are coming to enjoy Goa, so they should enjoy it safely.
Goa is set to host the International Purple Fest 2024, anticipating the participation of over 8,000 attendees from India and the world over. Scheduled from January 8th to 13th, the second edition of this festival marks its global debut and aspires to introduce groundbreaking initiatives, notably a permanent spinal cord rehab center and an Elimco unit at GMC Bambalim. The international scope of the festival aims to garner insights into international best practices across fields such as education, sports, social life, and more to implement progressive policies in Goa and foster an environment that promotes inclusivity and supports persons with disabilities.
What all the best practices followed all across the world, we need to get them in our fold. बरे policies frame करपाक जाय, बरे act frame करपाक जाय, जाणे करून दिव्यांग सेक्टरान भितर तांकां सक्षम करपाक जाय. सक्षमता आमच्या एज्युकेशना भितर, सक्षमता स्पोर्ट्सान भितर, सक्षमता तांच्या आर्थिक व्यवहारां भितर, सक्षमता तांकां म्हणजे सोशल लायफान भितर, तांकां स्वताचेर पांयाचेर उबी रावपा खातीर तांकां एम्प्लॉयमेंट रोजगार निर्मिती कशी जातली, तांचे कला कौशल स्किल कशें वाडयतले, ह्या सगळ्या बाबतींत आमकां मोठ्या प्रमाणान डिस्कशन जावपाक, डिबेट जावपाक जाय आनीक समोर येवपाक जाय. एक रिफॉर्म्स जावपाक जाय तांच्या हातून भितर, कायद्यान भितर, तांच्या खातीर बऱ्यो पॉलिसीज येवपाक जाय. हे सगळें गृहीत धरून आमी इंटरनॅशनल पर्पल फेस्ट केल्ले आसा. देर आर मॅनी कंट्रीज ऑल्सो हू आर पार्टिसिपेटींग. आमी सुरवात आयज म्हणजे केल्ली आसा. जरी ते 8 ते 13 जाले तरी आसतना आयज सकाळी सायन लँग्वेज इंटरप्रेटर्स कन्वेन्शन विच इज हॅपनिंग ऑफ 2 days. देर आर अबाउट म्हणजे 100 पार्टिसिपंट्स इन दॅट. तातूंतले 70 सुमार सायन इंटरप्रेटर्स आसा. डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ अकाउंट्स पर्वरीम हांगा ताचे कॉन्क्लेव जातले, कन्वेन्शन जातले. नॅशनल समीट ऑन इन्क्लुझिव्ह एज्युकेशन हे मॅकॅनिज पॅलेस ऑडिटून जातले. नॅशनल कॉन्फरन्स ऑन इनविजिबल डिसेबिलिटीज हे कला अकादमीन. पर्पल प्रोग्रेस गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी MSc लेक्चर हॉल. साउथ एशियन कॉन्फरन्स ऑन इन्क्लुझिव्ह एज्युकेशन हे आमचे कला अकादमीन जातले. ऑल स्टेट डिसेबिलिटी कमिशन्स मीट इज हॅपनिंग इन विवांता पणजे. तशेंच कन्वेन्शन ऑन स्पायनल कॉर्ड इंजुरी हे GMC हातून भितर जातले वेन्यू. NHRDN थॉट लिडरशिप फोरम हे मॅकॅनिज पॅलेस. कन्वेन्शन ऑन एक्सेसिबल पब्लिशिंग बाय DFI डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ अकाउंट्स ह्या हॉलान जातले. ॲडव्होकेट कॉन्फरन्स ऑन डिसेबिलिटी रायट्स हायकोर्ट बॉम्बे हांगा जातले. म्हणजे XCGI हातून भितर ललित हेय येवपाचे आसात आनी ते थी जातले हायकोर्टांच्या हातून भितर. कॉन्फरन्स ऑन ब्लड डिसऑर्डर्स मल्टिपल हॉल डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ आर्ट अँड कल्चर हातून जातले. डाऊन सिंड्रोम फेडरेशन कन्वेन्शन हे जातले कला अकादमीन. लेप्रोसी कन्वेन्शन कला अकादमीन जातले. स्टार्टअप इन्व्हेस्टर्स मीट कला अकादमीन जातले.
The Feast of Three Kings was celebrated with great fervor across Goa and Kasauli, Rejmagus and Chandor on Saturday. The feast brings to an end the 12 days of Christmas. It is believed that on this day, the three wise men, Melchior, Caspar and Balthazar, presented baby Jesus with symbolic gifts of gold, frankincense and myrrh. The Feast of Epiphany or Holy Maggie is celebrated on January 6th as the main feast of the parish of Rejmagus Church. It is the only church in Goa that is dedicated to the Holy Maggie. Although liturgically it is celebrated on the first Sunday after Christmas, the Vatican has granted special permission to celebrate this feast on January 6th to the three parishes in Goa, Rejmagus, Kansauli and Chandor.
आज जानेवारीची 6 तारीख आणि 2 वर्सां 6 तारखेक आमी आमच्या ह्या गांवांत रमेश सायबिणीचे फेस्त करतात. आता रमेश सायबिणीचे फेस्त वचचे पयलीं आमी इगोर्जेंत साकून एक दीस सगळीं चलोन येतात हांगासर प्राचिताच्या मनाक आनी हांगासर येवन माडयेचेर आशिर्वाद घालतात आनी फेस्ताची पुरगुटणी करतात. दीस जाता आनी मागीर दुसऱ्या दिसाक साकून हे 9 दीस दिसपट्टी नोयना जातात. आतां लोक चड येता आनी ह्या पासत दर दिसा 3 मिसांग उरता. पयले मीस 6 वरांचेर, दुसरे मीस 7:30 वरांचेर आनी सांजेर 5 वरांचेर. ह्या 3 मिसांक 6 वरांच्या मिसाक तर मातसो चड आसता, जायतो लोक आसता आनी फकत एकाच धर्माचो न्हू, सगळे धर्माचो लोक हांगासर ह्या मिसान वांटो घेता. आनी हे भाशेन भावार्थान सायबीण लागीं देवा लागीं मागतात सायबीण अयचे गणतीन आनी भाशेन ती आपले येतात. आयज जावन आसा फेस्ताचो दीस आनी आयज ह्या फेस्ता दिसाक एक विशेशताय आसा, एक खेरीताय आसा आनी तें म्हणल्यार आमचे गांवचे कुयेली, कासावली, आरोसी हे 3 गांव आसा ते तिरगोचे आनी 3य गांवचे भुरगे तांकां राजा कशें न्हेसयतात आनी घोड्यांचेर बसून हांगासर हाडटात आनी ते मिसान फुडें बसून वांटो घेतात. आतां हें फेस्त 3 राजांचें फेस्त न्हू, ते आमचे ट्रेडिशनली 3 किंग्स फेस्त म्हणटात. पूण 3 राजा कोण आसले ते उदेंतीचे विद्वान आसले. आतां फेस्तां जी करतात ही फेस्तां सदांच सांतांची आसतात. मुस्लीम सेंट्स आसता तांची, सायबिणीची फेस्तां आसतात आनी कुर्साची फेस्तां.
परब जावन आसा जेजूचे आप परगोटणेचे. जेजू आख्ख्या मनशा कुळाक, आख्ख्या संवसाराक उक्तो जालो आनी उक्तो जावन तो जावन आसा उजवाड. सगळ्या काडोकांतली काडूंक आमकां आयलो, उजवाडांत हाडूंक. रोज ताचो उजवाड आमी सगळ्याक शिंपडावया. काडोकाच्यो कोळण्यो सोडून दिवन उजवाडाची मनशां जावया आनी जेजू उजवाडाक गोबाय दिवया.
For the Three Kings Festival, this year I've decided I'm going to experience a lot of Goa's culture, festivals and everything that Goa has to offer. So it's wonderful to actually be here and see everybody come in really dressed up for the festival. Festivals and feasts are a big thing in Goa and it's wonderful to be part of the Reis Magbus.
In our Concrete Riddles contest, today's Parkone is presented by Maria Immaculada Candida Barreto E. Fernandez. She was born in Santa Cruz, studied in Santa Cruz School. Thereafter, she did her nursing and worked almost 10 years in Goa in a profession. After marriage, she went to Portugal, where she is now living and working as a nurse in a hospital. She craves for Goa because it is her motherland. She gets nostalgic of the Konkani riddles her grandmother and mother used to pose to them in her childhood. In that same spirit, she is presenting today's Parkone. Enjoy this 19th Parkone of the contest, Parkone Kitete Sang, from Shikali Bio Crusaders.
नमस्कार गोंयकारां. म्हजें नांव मारिया इमाकुलादा कॅंदिदा बर्रेतो फर्नांडीस. हांव गांवचें सांता क्रूजचें पूण आसता पुर्तुगालाच्या शारांत. आयज म्हाका चड खुशालकाय भोगता तुमच्या मुखार दवरपाक एक कोंकणी पारकोणें वो उमाणें. म्हजी शामाय आनी म्हजी माय आमकां ल्हान आसतना जायते पावट पारकोणें घालून आंसयतालीं आनी आमकां खुशाल दवरतालीं. चिकाली बाय क्रुसेडर्स आनी म्हाका हो स्वेग दिलो म्हूण तांकां कालसांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी तांच्या लिडराक बाब सिरिलाक. चिकाली बाय क्रुसेडर्स आनी हें कॉम्पिटिशन घडोवन हाडून कोंकणी भाशेक आनी गोंयच्या दायजाक एक व्हड म्हत्वाचें काम केलें. तांच्या सगळ्या मेंबरांक हांव शाबासकी दितां. 3 वर्सां हांव ही स्पर्धा एन्जॉय जाली, तातूंत भाग घेतलो आनी आनंद भोगलो आनी म्हज्या रिक्वेस्टाक मान दिवंक चवथे फावट ही स्पर्धा केली म्हूण हांव तांचेर आभारी. पारकोणें आमचें गोंयकाराचें दायज. हें दायज आमी सांबाळून दवरूंक जाय. हांव मागता सगळ्या गोंयकारां लागीं की तांणी ही पारकोणें सोबे माजार हाडची आनी ती सांबाळची. संवसाराच्या सगळ्या गोंयकारां लागीं मागता ही पारकोणें शेअर करात आनी फामाद करात. आतां हें म्हजें पारकोणें सारकें आयकात आनी तुमचो जबाब सकयल दिलेल्या नंबराचेर धाडात. म्हजें पारकोणें अशें. येदो सोपोर संवसार चलयता, कितें तें सांग. रिपीट करता. येदो सोपोर संवसार चलयता, कितें तें सांग.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.